matter what kind of adventure you're looking for, South Florida has got you covered. From fishing or just professionally sunbathing, South Florida, it's where you want to be. We're gonna get dinner going, and you are about to check out one of the coolest stays of South Florida right here on Staycation Sports. Hey, hey!
Hey, Charlie! Welcome to Winterwind.
Hey, Charlie.
Hey, Charlie.
Hey, Charlie! Hey, Charlie!
Oh,
Hey, Charlie!
now it's the big show. Now it's the big show. Oh, how are you guys?
Great, great.
Good. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Trick or treat.
Welcome, welcome. Come on in.
Wow, what a place.
Welcome to Naples. So glad you made it.
This is beautiful.
Thank you very much. Thank you. This is our home here in North Naples. We have 3 king bedrooms and, of course, a base level built out for children.
Wow, and it's a really cool build. I mean, it's like outside and inside become one here.
That's the Florida way, right? We love to be out in the sun, and so we want our guests to be the exact same way.
So break down the actual layout and flow of the place.
Sure. As you come in, there's kind of a grand entrance into the home, and then you flow right into the living space. We've got a breakfast nook, of course, our kitchen, and there's a more formal dining area for dinner parties off to the side.
Break down the bedrooms for me.
There's a primary up top, that's the 3rd floor. On the main floor, we have 2 kings, so comfortably 3 families can stay here. The base level is built out for children with 2 sets of triple bunks and their own entertainment center. Our oldest daughter is a design student at High Point University in North Carolina, and she has curated each of our homes. She started her company a few years ago.
How cool is that? It's so special from every point really in the house. When you look out, it's not just the huge pool you see, but you also have the water and the dock right there. I could be out there all day. That dock is something out of a movie.
Thank you, yeah. It's beautiful. You want to go see?
I'd love to.
Okay.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
You killed that design in there.
Thank you.
Oh my God. Walk me through it a little bit. What was your inspiration? What did you want to get out of it?
So we wanted to use all the coastal colors, which obviously you're here in Florida, you're right on the water, so lots of blues. And then I tried to use as many local artisans and different furniture companies in the area as possible.
Cool. When you hear families are coming to experience your home,
Yeah.
What do you want them to get out of it?
The outdoors, you've got your pool, you've got your putting green, the boat dock, fish right off of that for the kids, fillet table to clean it, paddle boards, boogie boards, floats. We try to have everything that every generation could possibly dream of.
I can't imagine just being able to walk out, you have all that, and then you pop on a boat, cruise around town here.
You want to do that? Let's pop on the boat. They're pulling up right now.
Oh, you're a captain too?
100%.
What does she not
Let's
do?
go.
I'm kind of jealous about this. Like, I feel like I missed the boat. Oh, that's a manatee right there, isn't it? I was just kidding.